At ORBBO, nature is handled with purpose and precision. ORBBO produces Noni fruit powder through a carefully controlled process that preserves its natural purity, rich nutrients, and health-enhancing properties. The process begins at the source. Fully ripened Noni fruits are harvested at peak maturity, when their antioxidants, enzymes, and bioactive compounds are naturally at their highest. Each fruit is handpicked, ensuring only clean, healthy Noni enters the production stream. At our facility, quality takes control. The fruits are sorted in ripeness, color, freshness, and size. Only premium-grade Noni moves forward. To ensure absolute cleanliness, the selected fruits undergo triple washing, removing all external impurities while protecting their natural structure. The cleaned fruits are then carefully sliced, a precise step designed to support even drying and protect sensitive phytonutrients. Drying follows, using controlled drying techniques such as hot air drying or freeze drying. Moisture is gently removed while the fruit's aroma, nutrients, and characteristic profile are retained. Once dried, the transformation becomes finer. High-grade pulverization systems reduce the Noni slices into a smooth powder. Precision sieving ensures uniform particle size, delivering the consistency required for food, nutraceutical, herbal supplement, and cosmetic applications. Safety is built into every stage. The powder undergoes sterilization to eliminate microbial risks, followed by comprehensive testing for heavy metals, microbial safety, moisture levels, and bioactive integrity, meeting international quality standards. Finally, our organic Noni fruit powder is transferred to the packing and storage area and then exported all over the world. We offer contract manufacturing and private labeling options, packed in pouches, canisters, and in the form of capsules and tablets. Nurtured through sustainable practices, uncompromising food safety, consistent quality assurance, and zero pesticide use, all with a touch of care and dedication. We are ORBBO,